In this lesson, you'll discover how to paint birds in watercolor.
How to paint birds in watercolor. Seagull in Venice. Video lesson by Vladimir London. Here is the finished watercolor artwork that we will achieve by the end of this lesson. The inspiration for this artwork is taken from Venice, Italy, where you can find a lot of seagulls that nest along the canals, of which there are plenty in this city. Here is one such bird resting on the wooden pole. Let's begin with transferring the drawing onto the watercolor paper. This drawing has been made on tracing paper, which is fixed in place with masking tape. Graphite pencil marks are on the reverse side of the tracing paper. I repeat every stroke with a pen so that the graphite marks are transferred onto the white watercolor paper. This is a rather mechanical task. All you need to do is to ensure that every single line is outlined once again. For the first wash, I will be using a Princeton Neptune round synthetic squirrel brush, number 8. On the palette, I have mixed 3 colors, olive green, blue and yellow, to achieve a cold blue-green mix. Since I am making a variegated wash, instead of using just one mixed color, I will introduce several colors into this wash, such as blue and green. The paper is almost dry, and now I am using a flat synthetic brush to wipe off some paint to depict the scratches and texture of the wooden pole. I will show you once again the finished artwork, just to demonstrate that such effects are simply not obtainable in one layer of paint.